This is the Leatherman OHT, stands for one-handed tool. So a lot of our users were asking one-handed access to the jaw. Our typical tool, you need two hands to open it up. So you can't be holding onto something while you're working. So this one, just drop it, ready to go. For a one-hand opening plier, to have it slide and then spring, one of the critical things in our jaw is the parallelism of the ears. So if these jaws are slightly open or skewed the other way, that spring force is going to be really pinching the handles and preventing it from sliding out. That smoothness, the click, or the ability to launch it and have that nice reassuring lock at the end is really what we're looking for. So one of the key design goals of this tool was that all the external features are usable with gloves. You can open the jaws, use the tool, open any of the external blades, all with thick gloves on. Another thing, you can see in the scale, there's a design, kind of a rendering of what implement is under each scale. So you don't have to open them all up and guess. You can just look and see that's the one that has a knife and reduce the guesswork. One of the things our customers asked about a one-hand opening tool was to make it better than what's currently on the market. So there are other one-hand opening tools on the market. We thought we could do a better job. Some of the things we didn't like were the rattle of some of the other ones. There's no spring, so you have to open the jaw each time manually. The built-in wire cutters are a bonus. Overcoming the rattle was partly with the spring. So the sprung jaw preloads the jaw against the handle, so that's part of what keeps it from rattling. Other is just the tight tolerance of the jaw within the rail. It's harder to do, but it ends up with a better tool in the long run. We will go through as many processes as it takes to release something that is feature dense, doesn't rattle, smooth opening. I think that shows in the performance of this tool versus some of the competitors.